For this video, we're going to go ahead and calculate some mileage. So for this one, we have a starting odometer reading with an input, ending odometer reading, and the number of gallons used, and then we call a function. Again, this code you can get from the description of this video. So we're going to go ahead and make a new function, calculate mileage, and then let's go ahead and grab our inputs first. So I'll say odometer start equals, and then we do need to parse this. Document.getElementById, odometer start on line 21, I'm seeing there, dot value. Okay, I'm going to copy this 3 times because we're going to need several different inputs. And so this next one is going to be odometer end, and that matches this over here. And then our next one, what was it? Gallons used. Okay, so we'll change both of those as well. Okay, so we have our inputs. Let's go ahead and calculate the distance. So we'll say let distance equals odometer end minus odometer start. Oops. Okay, so that'll just show us how many miles we've gone. And then let's calculate mileage. We'll say let mileage equals distance divided by gallons used. Okay, and then document.getElementById, output div .inner HTML equals mileage. Okay, we could add other stuff onto here if we wanted to. We could add more to this string. Let's go ahead and run this and let's see if this works for us. Let's head back to our browser. So let's say I'll take off that breakpoint. Let's say I started off at 1,000 miles. I went 1,000 miles and I used 20 gallons of gas. And nothing's happening. Look at that. We got an error here. Cannot read property value of null. Okay, which means whatever's on the other side of this value is coming up as null. So let's look at that and see why. So I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to paste it right there. And I think I had a typo right there. I don't remember what it was. Oh, yep, I had it on all of them. So I'll paste that there. Odometer end should have odometer. And then both of these need to be O's as well. All right. Let's try that again. Come back over here, and this time let's just say same thing, and 20 gallons used, and we got 50 miles per gallon. Okay, now I could add to this again if I wanted to. I could say 50, add a string, say miles per gallon or whatever I wanted to, but hopefully this helps you see how we could calculate miles per gallon using JavaScript.